Students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 10, that is browsing the internet. In today's video we will be discussing about Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default web browser in Windows 10. My computer is having Windows 7, but there is also Microsoft Edge. But there are few differences, but the web browser is same only. We will discuss what are the differences. Apart from letting you open the web page and search for information, it enables us to make notes on web pages and save them. It also allows us to read a web page without any distraction. It integrates Cortana to provide more information about selected text in a web page. Now you can see a page that is the first look of Microsoft Edge. So for opening it, what we will do, you will go on the start button and you will type Microsoft Edge. Then what will happen? This application will appear in front of us and then this page will be open. So this is how it looks. Now we will be learning about few important things like the components. These are the tabs. Here you can see like new tab and a blank tab, that is the first tab. This is the start tab. After that, this tab of Microsoft Excel allows us to open multiple web pages in the same video. From here we can open multiple pages from the same video. Each web page is open in a tab. As you can see, each web pages are opening in a new tab. The tab for different web pages are present on the top edge of the Edge windows. This is the name of web page. Like I am going to type here www.bing search. So this will only so like this the Bing search has appear in front of us. Like if you want to open Google, then www.google.com, then something like this will appear in front of you. And by default the first page is known as start tab. What it is known as? It is known as start tab. After that we will see new tab button. We have already seen this is the new tab button. When we will click here, then automatically a new tab is being added. So that is known as new tab button. And like this way we can just close the new tab if it is not required. Afterwards, there are control buttons. At the right corner, we can see three buttons: cross, restore down, and minimize. These three buttons are known as control button. Afterwards, we will see the navigation. The navigation button are present below the tabs. The Edge Windows has three navigation buttons like left, right, and refresh. These three are the navigation button of the Microsoft Edge. Like if you want to go to the next page, like if I will open this page, then what will happen? If you want to go to the back, then we will click on the back arrow, na? Then automatically it will take us to the first page. And if you want to again go back to the next page, then what we need to do, we need to again click on the right arrow. Then like this it will move forward. So this is how these back or next or something like this it works. Like this is the refresh button. I will just show you the use of refresh button. If you want to refresh it मतलब उस चीज़ को फिर से refresh करना. If there are any changes तो उस changes को लाना. Like this, if you click here, then it has been refreshed. New things has been added to the page. So this page has been refreshed. Afterwards, there are address bar. This is the address bar, and like here we can type the address like www dot I am typing parents alarm.com, and like this what will happen, few links will be present in front of us, and then from there we will click the desired website, whichever website we want to open. I think the internet is getting slow. No problem. We have already opened a link, that is www.google.com. So this is the link in front of us. What we need to do, we only need to click on this address bar, just delete it, and whatever you want to write you can just write and search in this manner. Okay, then this will appear. Afterwards there are reading views and favorite. As I have said that this is Windows 7, so there is no reading view, but of course there are favorite tab. This is the favorite tab. If you need, or if you want to add any of the website as your favorite tab, like I have added these two websites as my favorite websites, so I have added it, and this two website will be always shown on the tab like this once. Let me just show you like this. See, this and this, these two are my favorite, so they both are always present after this tabs. Like, see, I have opened the parentsalam.com, so that website is open in front of us. Afterward there is reading view. This reading view helps us to read a web page without any distraction. Since I've said that this is not Windows 10, but in this application there is no reading view, but if you switch to Windows 10, then of course there will be reading view. Afterwards, like hub button, this button is present next to the address bar. The hub button is the place where Edge, means Microsoft Edge, the browser, keeps the things on the web, and it also helps to provide us the favorite as web pages, reading lists, and browsing history and downloads. Okay, so these are the things which it provides. So we are going to stop till here. Thank you, my dear children.